Welcome to this video on Power Automate Desktop. In this video, we will explore the features and capabilities of Microsoft Power Automate Desktop, a powerful tool that enables you to automate repetitive tasks on your computer, saving time and boosting productivity. Power Automate is a desktop-based robotic process automation solution developed by Microsoft. It allows you to create automation workflows that interact with various applications and perform tasks just like a human user would, but with greater speed and accuracy. With Power Automate, you can say goodbye to complicated setups. Power Automate's user-friendly drag and drop interface lets you build automation workflows with just a few clicks. Extensive Actions Library. With over 400 pre-built automation actions at your fingertips, you can automate a wide range of tasks without any coding knowledge. Save time and effort. Capture like a pro. Record your actions with the Automation Recorder feature. It captures your steps and turns them into automated processes, making it easy to create efficient workflows. Seamless integration. Connect Power Automate with web browsers, desktop apps, and more. It seamlessly works with your favorite applications, making automation a breeze. Set and forget. Take control of your automation schedule. Power Automate allows you to schedule and trigger workflows so you can automate tasks at the right time, every time. Easily organize files and folders with just a few clicks, saving time and boosting productivity. Process incoming emails from Exchange Server or via SIMP with the power of automation. Say goodbye to manual sorting and responding. Automate Excel workflows with Power Automate and unleash the true potential of your data. Connect effortlessly to websites, web services, and APIs, as well as OneDrive. Say goodbye to manual data handling and file transfers. Let automation do the heavy lifting for you. In the upcoming videos of this series, we'll demonstrate how to set up simple flows for each of these features and much more with Power Automation. Additionally, we'll demonstrate how to combine these features to create effective workflows and automated processes. Discover how Power Automate's versatility can optimize your tasks and streamline your entire workflow. Get ready to take your automation game to the next level. Thanks for watching. If you're eager to explore more about Power Automate, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Stay connected for exciting insights, tutorials, and updates that will help you become an automation pro. Keep automating and see you in the next video.